Paragraph unity. Unity, the thesis statement, topic sentences, and supporting sentences have all been discussed. Importantly, everything in a paragraph should be on one idea. There should be no information that is not focused on the topic sentence. Let's take a look at this essay and see how the supporting sentences all focus on the topic sentence. The thesis statement. This essay discusses both the advantages and the disadvantages of using public transportation. So the first paragraph, the controlling idea, is avoiding the costs of owning a car. And the support is that it's expensive to buy and maintain, and insurance and parking are all expensive. The second paragraph, the controlling idea, is the comfort and safety of public transportation. It says you can relax, you can read, take a nap, and fewer people are hurt or killed on public transportation. In the third paragraph, the controlling idea is a disadvantage, and it talks about crowding and lack of freedom. Here it is again. Concluding sentences. A concluding sentence closes the paragraph. It tells the reader the main idea again. Concluding sentences are important in long paragraphs, but are not always necessary. Each of the paragraphs in the body of the following essay has a concluding sentence. This is the essay we just looked at, and you can see it's about public transport, and each paragraph has a concluding sentence. Concluding sentences serve the same purpose as the conclusion. That is to say, the conclusion of the essay repeats what the essay said. Likewise, the concluding sentence of a paragraph repeats what the paragraph said. Of course, you do not have to use the exact words. Note the relationship between the topic sentences and the concluding sentences. This is from that same essay. One of the biggest advantages of using public transportation is avoiding the costs of owning a car. That's the topic sentence. The concluding sentence of that paragraph is people who rely on public transportation can avoid these costs. The second paragraph, the topic sentence, is other advantages are comfort and safety. And that paragraph concludes with public transportation allows users to relax and feel safe. It's restating the same idea. And the final paragraph is there are some disadvantages to public transportation. And the concluding sentence is public transportation is limiting as well as crowded, restating the topic of that paragraph. There is no rule that says concluding sentences are necessary. However, they are important in long and complicated essays. In a test essay, it is a good idea to show an understanding of how concluding sentences function. The next video will discuss concluding paragraphs, which are much more essential.